In 1963, 3 years into his GE career, he was assigned to build a PPO pilot plant in Pittsfield. One spring day, he was sitting in his office across the street when there was a huge explosion at the pilot plant. He ran over to the building and saw that a big piece of roof and ceiling had collapsed. Amazingly, no one was seriously injured. He was 28. The next day, he drove to Bridgeport, Connecticut, to explain the accident to Charlie Red, a corporate group executive. Red was GE's highest-ranking executive with hands-on experience in chemicals. He didn't know Reed at all. He expected to get fired, but Reed's reaction was unexpected. He recalled the moment like this. That day, he was incredibly understanding. Reed said it was better to figure out the problem at the pilot plant stage than at a large-scale resin plant. And he took me through the Socratic method. You know, why it happened. What would you do differently? Why did you do that? Why didn't you do this? He was coaching me, and it couldn't be nicer. This is an anecdote that Jack Welch, a famous CEO of GE, experienced in his youth. After he became CEO, he said this: "When people make mistakes, the last thing they need is discipline. It's time for encouragement and confidence building. The job at this point is to restore self-confidence." Encouraging and generous acceptance of the employees who make mistakes can quickly restore their confidence, and it's also a way to help them find the cause of their own mistakes and succeed next time. Mistakes that have already happened are irreversible. It is a leader's job to help employees learn and grow through that experience.